Well, I'm still in Montana. On my dad and my brother's farms, helping with beet harvest, and we are shut down for today and tomorrow at least. So hopefully I'll still get to do some beet harvesting before I have to go back home. But because we're shut down for a couple days, we decided to unhook one of the tractors from the beet digger and do some field work. So I'm going to be on my brother's farm doing some disc gripping with this machine back here. Things that is really cool about this tractor and pulling the disc gripper is that the tractor can be driven by a GPS and steered by a GPS. So at the end of the field, I will disengage the GPS. I stomp on this little pedal on the floor and it disengages the GPS. And then I turn the tractor around. Once I get just about lined up to head the other direction, I stomp on the pedal again and engage the GPS, and then the tractor will steer itself in a straight line to the other end of the field. So that's kind of nice because then you can focus mostly on the machine and watch what's going on behind you. Well, that's probably it for today. It's been a good day in the tractor. So thanks so much for watching this video. Love to have you like and subscribe down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my brother's channel, Beet Farmer Bryce, for more farm videos. And stay tuned on my channel for more music and adventure videos. This farming has been an adventure. Thanks for watching.